Okay, let's go out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of my KTM Duke 250. It is now 8:30 in the morning, and today I going out for free ride or ride Santai in local language at here, where I enjoy riding so much in the early morning, which I just discovered this road a few weeks ago. I got to enjoy the morning breeze and the fresh air on the hillside while riding along this windy and twisty road. Come here during the weekend. There are only a few numbers of motorists passing over this road, so I can enjoy a more relaxing and joyful ride without worrying too much about traffic. The majority of the people who came here just for cycling, just like me, enjoy the early morning greenery scene, especially after raining overnight. The weather here is cold, and I love riding at such place in such weather condition. To get here, turn in from the Federal Road at the junction between E L Chong and Econ Safe and head straight until the end. Then turn left and you will find what you're looking for. Okay, there are two other things that I want to talk about apart from my ride Santai, which the first is I got into an accident when making my previous episode of ABS braking test video, where I've done a few comparisons by braking on a few different situations. And if you happen to miss this video, then please feel free to click into it at the end of this video. If you have noticed the scene between braking with ABS on and off on dry tarmac, there was a significant change on the appearance of my bike, and that's the point where I met with an accident. Obviously, I rode too fast and a car came out from a junction suddenly. I managed to avoid it, but then I skid and hit the curb, damaging the front handlebar portion. But now it has been repaired and the decals on my bike has changed. The second thing that I want to talk about is my bike's battery has dead for the first time in 4 years since my bike was new, where after the accident the engine is very hard to start when it is cold. It is a symptom to indicate a weak battery. I managed to jump start it with the little half of my car's battery and head over to my mechanic. My mechanic once told me if I have a difficulty to start the engine during cold weather, then please come over to change it. But he told me to inform him 1 day earlier prior to the exchange, as he needs to charge the battery overnight, as this will prolong the lifespan of the battery, so my battery can last longer. And yes, this is particularly true, as I've been practicing this for my car for quite some time. A new battery without charge will only last 1 year and a half up to 2 years, while charging up front will go up to 3 or even 4 years. I have a video example here where the last battery replacement on my bike was on 23rd January 2015, and it is now 2021, which means my car's battery have served me for the whole 6 years. This is a very outstanding performance for a car battery. I hope this info will more or less benefit those who are watching this video, where I always share some information, experiments, troubleshoot and repair kind of stuff on my channel. So we have reached the end here. Do me a favor by clicking on the like button, and if you have anything to say, then please feel free to leave it down on the comment section below. Thanks for watching and ride safely. I'll see you on the next episode.